Gaya is Bihar. Bihar is Gaya. Gaya is Asia. Bihar is Asia. And yesterday, I am from Gaya, Haldar, Kishanpur, Gaya. Yesterday, I am shocked with the presence of the Prime Minister from Vadnagar of Gujarat, Budnagar from Gujarat, was at Madhubani with unpopular Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Sir, with his team, and hoping to sweep Bihar 2-5. I Haldar. Enlightening and enlivening. Gaya. Gaya's link. Enlightening. Old link between Gaya and Magadh and Myanmar. Old link, older than Patna and Colombo. Older than Ashoka's Sangmitras and Anuradhapur. The day Lord Buddha got enlightenment, Mahaprajna, Nirvana got as Bodhi tree, two traders from Utka, Tapas and Valik, had come to pay respect. And Lord Buddha had given him hair of his head to these two traders of Utkal who had traveled to Myanmar, Burma of that time. And there Swaziland temple was built. Now it is in Rangoon. So the old bond, old enlightenment bond between Magadh, Manipur, Myanmar, now modern Myanmar or Burma, old tie, old bond, as old bond between Magadh, Bodh Gaya and Rajpur and Indo-Sri Lankan relation. So Indo-Burmese relation is also old one, and all history is the recent one. And India had two, and I'm living two. One great Prime Minister from Manipur who had served as Prime Minister of India 10 years, 2 terms. Sardar Manmohan Singh. He was MP from Manipur. And
MP from Assam, not Manipur.
he was from Manipur. He was from Manipur. Or whatever. He was from Manipur. And, or you can check it also. And another great Chief Minister of Manipur, Nishant Kesim sir, who had served Manipur as Chief Minister more than 9 times. I had met him in the house of Sitaram Kesi sir, and Prime Minister at that time was Bipin Singh Maharaj, just had taken over as Prime Minister of India. And that, just after that, again he was sent back, Nishant Kesi sir, to become the Chief Minister of Myanmar. From Manipur. And he had really, Nishant Kesi sir was a dashing, dynamic Chief Minister of Manipur ever Manipur had seen and estate. So this bond between Buddhist bond, only Buddhism will make India and India neighbor relations, super relations, cordial relations as, and so where I'm just surprising, as Nehruji had picked up Sasipan Singh from Patna University, and even Mrs. Indira Gandhi had taken Sasipan Singh and do that. Even a scholar like had been taken up. So today, to make the build-up, Professor Rao and I have really done a lot of field research in Myanmar on trekking everywhere up to Bago, Bagan, Kalyan inscriptions and Burma and every old. So now he is going to be 70 years in this year on 14th October. So this man, their skill, a scholarship and diplomatic skill should be picked by the Prime Minister of India to make good relationship with all the Buddhist countries, because I know Professor Roy has a keen knowledge and keen interest of all the Buddhist world. So I have a colleague, even the head of the department. So I wish him a good luck, and Prime Minister should see how to build up a good relationship on the Buddhist scholars' basis. That is my good luck, and Bihar is going to, as Gaya is the land of Buddha and mica mines, greatest mica mines. That's always science. So again, Gaya is going to shine and produce and make Bihar with Anup Jadhav and Haldar Kisan Putra of Gaya in 2025, great Bihar, number one Bihar of the world again.